Okay, I have a question for you. Has your hair extensions or weave not been holding curls like usual? Has it been feeling a bit heavier than usual? Is it dull in color? Is your scalp itchy or flaky? Is your hair carrying an unpleasant odor? If you've answered yes to two or more of these questions, it's probably time that you refresh your hair extensions, and I got you. Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time, welcome. Over here, we're going to be talking about all things hair. Get it? If you guys don't know already, I'm a lazy, natural hair girly, which means that I love protective styles, especially those that include hair extensions. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I refresh my traditional sew-in. Okay, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, you already know what to do. Subscribe, click on the bell to receive notifications of my latest videos. Also, give me a thumbs up and watch the video all the way through. I don't want you guys to miss any important steps. Let's get straight into it. I'm gonna start off by giving my leave out a pre-shampoo treatment. Below you'll see a link to my quick pre-shampoo treatment routine, which outlines how I make it and its benefits. I then sectioned off my hair and proceeded to detangle and comb my bundles. Guys, this hair had so much product buildup that it was actually giving stiff, and that is not okay. But on the plus side, this can be seen as a sign that I was giving my actual real hair underneath some good old TLC. I was oiling my scalp, and obviously, my oily scalp was then trickling into my bundles, which was making it have so much product buildup. So, I guess the trade off for a moisturized, healthy scalp was shorter intervals between my washes. Next, I washed my hair with Ways Thick Shampoo. Are y'all taking in this close up? Notice how my hair got soapy on contact? Literal chef's kiss. So I started by washing my leave out, and then I'm gonna tackle my scalp and my bundles. I said this before and I'll say it again. I'm someone who enjoys trying different shampoos. Um, and on this particular day, I wanted to use Ways shampoo because I was going to not only be shampooing my scalp, but also my hair and the bundles. So I wanted a shampoo that would work well with all these different hair types because my hair is definitely a different texture than my bundles. And yeah, this shampoo seems to work for various hair types. And no, this video is not sponsored by Way. I've been using this product for a while, and this is just my honest opinion of it. But honestly, $300 for a bottle of shampoo is crazy. Just kidding. I definitely did not pay $300 for it. Maybe like what, 40, 50 bucks? Whatever. But it is worth it. It does do what it's supposed to do. And next, I'll be conditioning my hair with Ways Thick Hair Conditioner. One thing about me is that I'm not stingy when it comes to applying products to my hair. Something I've noticed with this product is that a little goes a long way. So with this small squeeze, I was able to condition my leave out. I did go in with a bit more to get the rest of my hair, but the slip was amazing. It was easy to detangle my hair with it, and then I probably left it in for about probably 10 minutes or so. And then I washed it out. Listen up, this next step is very important and probably the longest part of my maintenance routine. It's so important that you thoroughly dry your hair. And not only your extensions, but prioritize drying the braids underneath. This can easily take hours depending on the tools that you're using, and there's definitely no skipping or cheating this part. If you don't dry your hair properly, this may result in your hair having a bad odor, which I'm assuming would represent some sort of bacteria buildup within the braids or even on your scalp. And remember, the reason why we're putting in weaves or sew-ins is to protect our natural hair. So set aside the time and make sure that it dries properly. As you guys can see, I'm putting Lady Daisy to work right now. If you're new here, Lady Daisy is my hooded hairdryer that has served the women in my family for generations. So now that the braids underneath and my leave out are dry, it's time to blow out my bundles. So I'm just combing my bundles out, making sure that they're detangled. And if you're new here, this is my hairdryer, which for the most part does the job. However, its nozzle would fly off during blow dries. So one day I just kind of taped it down. So while it looks a certain way, it definitely works. And I'm going to be blowing my hair out with a bristle brush. Shout out to the person who recommended that I try blowing out my hair with a bristle brush. I absolutely appreciate and love when you guys comment with tips. Please continue to share your wisdom with me, because this right here, this definitely helped, and the blow drying process didn't take that long. So I wonder what else you guys know that you should be sharing with me. So now it's time to straighten my freshly blow dried bundles. Off camera, I added a little bit too much heat protectant, and you can kind of see the grease in my hair as I straighten it, which is annoying. In the description, you'll see a link to a video explaining how I silk press my hair. As I explained in the video, I like to use the chase method to get my hair real straight with minimal passes. And as I'm going through this, you can kind of see that there's a bit too much grease in my hair. Super annoyed, but whatever. It's not the end of the world. And this is another reason why I love my protective styles. I just love the freedom that comes with it. When it comes to my weave, I'm not as cautious. I will pass my straightener through my hair as many times as I need to get the look that I'm going for. After straightening my hair extensions, I like to focus on styling my leave out. So I'm going to start by adding some heat protectant to my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry it. This next step is super optional, especially for those who want to avoid heat. I hot combed my hair on low. And now I'm going to straighten my leave out. As you guys can see, I'm using the chase method and my straightener is on low. Now I'm just tackling my flyaways and the smaller pieces of hair with a pencil straightener. And this is just kind of part of the cleanup process. And next I'm just trying to blend my hair, fixing up my part. I like to use hair wax to kind of tackle my flyaways. And then I'm going to run my hot comb over that area just to blend my hair in with my hair extensions. So I'm almost done. Now I'm just gonna brush my hair, just making sure that everything is blended. And making sure that my hair is looking right from all angles. At this point, I'm pretty much done, but something's missing. And that is edge control. Can't forget the edge control. So I'm just gonna run over my edges with a little bit of edge control and then brush it with my edge brush. And I'm trying to make a little swoopty swoop. I'm like still learning edges, but it seemed like the edges were under control here because I don't know what I just did, but that looks nice. So I'm just gonna tie that down and lock in the style. Okay, so at this point, it probably looks like I only have one head tie, and it's because I do. My sisters, my nieces, and even mom, you're included, somehow have head ties that look like ones I've previously owned.